Want to drop your thoughts in a Facebook group without anyone knowing it's you? Here's a quick hack on how to post and even interact anonymously so your name stays hidden. First, not all groups have this feature. It's usually in advice groups, parenting, or anything where people want privacy. So make sure the group you're in has anonymous posting turned on by the admin. Now, the fun part, go to create posts in the group and look for the toggle that says post anonymously. Switch it on, type what you want to say, and hit submit. Facebook will hide your name from everyone else. Only the admins can see who you are. Here's the trick. While Facebook doesn't allow anonymous comments on every single post, some groups open up special anonymous threads. When that happens, you can reply and stay completely anonymous inside that thread. So keep an eye out for those chances. Remember, even if members don't see your name, admins still do. So use this for privacy, not for trolling. Be smart with your hidden identity. And that's it. Now you can share secrets, ask questions, or just join the convo without putting your name out there. Cool hack, right? Try it in your favorite group and see for yourself.